Hey everyone, my name is James and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make an overcomplicated 2 by 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 piston door. Yes, okay. And all I need is this. Okay, okay, right, okay. So, like basic, you'll need 3 by 2 redstone thingy, and these thingies, wooden planks, thingies. And oh no, my dementia is catching up. Like piston. Especially now, we don't need this. Then, wait, yes, we need this and slime. And we're done. And we're done with that shit. Glass. 2 more. You're done. And one fucking piston there. Okay, I'll stop sharing right now. 10. Wait, no way, bro. Okay. Now, you need a redstone block. Redstone block, redstone. There will be no redstone torches. I think so. There will be no redstone torches. My dementia is catching up, so I do know. And then, yeah. Alright. No. That's how you get. Yay. And then, just cover it up. Cover. You might be wondering, what's the obsidian for in your inventory? Here. Alright. So that's how you make an overly complicated 2 by 3. I forgot about this. Piping there. And then you're done. That's basically it. Looks kind of dumb, but oh shit, forgot about this one. All right, amazing. So okay, thank you for watching. Okay, I just pretend just finished, and this is the finished result. So yeah, thank you for watching, everybody, and see you next time. Bye.